Hey guys, this is just a little bonus video of this amplifier, the bass 8K. Yeah, this is a bass 8K, Taramps bass 8K, guys. So this knob on a little scratchiness, the level knob, or what you guys want to call it, level, volume, or whatever. So yeah, let me turn it like this, guys. So I'm gonna replace it. So these guys, these are very, very hard to find. So this is it, 22K5, and the one inside of it is 22K10, but this were just the same. Don't worry, you won't even know the difference. So let me first pull this out. Yeah, this little thing here. So good they didn't put a stop at it. So at the front here, 2 of the pins is at the front and 2 is at the back. So yeah, this one is a little scratchy, guys. So I'm gonna take it, throw it out. So I'm just just let me make a video of me doing it, guys, because so first I'm gonna start with the one at the back, then I lift it forward. So I lift it up forward. I can do this and I can lean it to one side like this, and then lean it that, and that's it, guys. See, it comes right off. All right, and the other one now that I'm gonna put in is a different color. This is blue. All right, look, and you see, guys, the pin are straight, they are not flat like the other one. See that, guys? Pins are pointing out. Yeah, with this one it's not. So yeah, I'm going to make it work. So yes, guys, I'm gonna flatten out the pin like the way they were on that one. That's exactly what I'm going to do, guys. So yeah, the back ones here are really easy to do. So see what I did, guys, right here? Yep, like that. So now I'm gonna use my little nipper here and cut off the excess legs, and then I'm gonna do a little thing we call thinning or prep or prime, or you guys also prep it a little. They call it thinning. This is just prepping. Just prep it up with a little solder, so it's easier when it goes on the circuit to really make contact with the solder on the circuit board that's already there. Sometimes it's old. So let me do this one. So yeah, that's a lot of prep on that one. Okay. Okay, well, back here get a lot. All right. So now you wanna put this into place, guys. So yeah. Some more. So, yep. All right. Come on. Some more. Nice. Because after it sit really nice, yeah. Back one is good. Also this one. Also. All right. So now, guys, things seem to line up good and proper. So yeah, I'm not gonna even hook it up on test it guys because I know it's good. This is not the first time I'm doing this. So all the way down, all the way up, just making sure it's working like it should. Yep. So it's installed guys, as you can see that little blue one, that's the difference right there. Yep. So I'm gonna just put this into the chassis now and make the owner know it's ready. Yes guys, so that's how it goes guys. So yeah, I have a bunch of them. Let me see the other types I have. I buy some other one the other day. I think it's the same thing. I don't think. Yeah, 22K5. Yes. Yeah. Because they're hard to get. They're using it some Stetson, same way Taramps and stuff like that. Yeah. Well, yes, guys, that's it for that little replacement right here, guys. Just a little, just a little bonus. That's it. Let me make it, just in case some people want to know if they can get one of these knobs or source it. Yeah, I get it off AliExpress, but it wasn't easy to find. It was only one person who have it, and I buy all of them. Yeah, they have like 50, and I said, all right, let me buy 50. Cause first I bought some, and when I go back to buy, they didn't have any, and then after I get and I reach out to the guy, and he told me they have to get them made. So I said, oh, okay, that's why I didn't have them. I said, okay. So they made them like they do it done to other guys, something like that. You understand? Yeah. So sometimes you look for something on it, AliExpress, and you don't find it, you go back a couple days after and you see a company with it. Cause they see they monitor what you search for and stuff like that. Yeah, they really do. Believe me, they do. Because a lot of stuff I search for, and then all of a sudden I see it popping up on when I go to AliExpress, the ads, it comes up and it tells me, so this store is available with XX, which part, and sometimes somebody reach out to me and ask me if I'm still interested in getting this part. Yeah, they do that. They monitor what you buy and stuff like that, and they monitor what you search for. If they don't have it, after a while they will. Or they will just tell us it's discontinued. And sometime what I have to do, guys, if parts can be discontinued, but they'll make them for you guys if you pay the price. And a lot of time that's what I have to do. Like some mustard the other day, I have to pay the price. I'm gonna make a video of it, guys, and show you. Cause they told me it was discontinued, and the company said, yeah, they're not taking any harder for it. But if I need it, they'll tell me, I have to pay. I did have to pay a price. Cause I didn't need 50, guys, and normally it would sell 50 like for 150, and normally I think I pay like 250 to get 50. So yeah, it's like that, guys. So yeah. Alright, guys, so please like, subscribe if you like what you see so far, and card is out for now, guys. Alright, enough respect.